What if you became rich overnight? What would you do with all that money? Now that's a question that tickles the imagination, doesn't it? We've all daydreamed about it at least once. But reality can be trickier than a dream. Suddenly finding yourself wealthy can be as overwhelming as it is exhilarating. It's not just about the fancy cars, the dream house, or the endless vacations. It's about making decisions, some easy, others not so much. It's about managing this newfound wealth in a way that not only preserves it, but also helps it grow. In this guide, we'll walk you through 13 things you must do if you get rich quick. The first thing to do is to stay calm. It might sound simple, but it's easier said than done. When a sudden wave of wealth washes over you, the excitement can easily cloud your judgment. It's like being caught in a whirlwind of euphoria, where rational thinking often takes a back seat. But here's the key: don't let the excitement make decisions for you. Harness that energy and channel it into a clear, calm state of mind. Breathe, let the news settle. This is the time to be more mindful than ever. Rash decisions are often regretted. They're like hastily drawn maps that lead you into uncharted territories of financial pitfalls. So take a step back, allow yourself the luxury of patience. It's not about suppressing excitement, but about not letting it steer your ship. In the grand scheme of things, the ability to keep a level head is a treasure in itself. Next, seek professional financial advice. Remember, sudden wealth can be overwhelming, and managing it is not as easy as it sounds. It's like sailing into uncharted waters without a compass. Here's where a financial advisor steps in. They're your compass, your guide, helping you navigate through the complexities of wealth management. A financial advisor brings expertise to the table. They help you understand tax laws, investment opportunities, and risk management. They'll assist you in setting financial goals, creating a budget, and devising a plan to grow your wealth. It's not just about maintaining your fortune, it's about expanding it. Moreover, a good financial advisor will tailor strategies specifically to your unique situation. They'll consider your risk tolerance, financial aspirations, and lifestyle needs. They're not just advisors, they're partners in your financial journey. So don't try to sail alone in this sea of wealth. Get a co-captain. Now it's time to create a plan. Ask yourself, what do I want to accomplish with this windfall? You might want to buy a home or secure your retirement, or perhaps even start a business. Once you've identified your goals, you'll need to strategize. This is where the rubber meets the road. You'll need to break down each goal into manageable steps, each with its own timeline. Perhaps you'll need to research real estate markets or learn about investment portfolios. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a solid financial plan. It will require thought, effort, and perhaps a few revisions along the way. But rest assured, this planning phase is a critical step in ensuring your newfound wealth doesn't simply slip through your fingers. Having a plan will help you stay focused and disciplined in your financial journey. This might be a difficult one, but don't let anyone know about your newfound wealth. Suddenly, finding yourself with a fortune can be quite the whirlwind. It's natural to want to share your joy with those around you, but press pause on that urge. Revealing your fortune prematurely can open the floodgates to a plethora of complications. First off, jealousy can rear its ugly head. Friends may morph into foes, and family feuds could ignite over money matters. Then there's the risk of falling prey to fraudsters lurking in the shadows, ready to exploit your naivety. And let's not forget the unwanted attention that wealth often attracts. Remember, discretion is the better part of valor. By keeping your wealth under wraps, you can navigate this new chapter of your life with ease and grace. You can plan, invest, and enjoy your fortune without the added drama. I hope you are enjoying this video. Please like and subscribe for more content to help you achieve financial freedom. Once you have a solid plan, start by paying off your debts. The allure of a debt-free life is not just a fanciful dream, it's a tangible reality. Imagine, no more monthly payments, no more interest rates gnawing at your peace of mind, no more worrying about creditors. This is the freedom that comes with clearing your debts. Paying off your debts is like unshackling yourself from a heavy burden. It allows you to move with ease and confidence into your financial future. It's the key to unlocking your potential, to investing in your dreams without the specter of debt hanging over your head. Every cent that you're not paying in interest is money that can be put towards your future. It's about taking control, asserting your financial independence. It's about saying yes to opportunities and no to limitations. Now that you're debt-free, it's time to secure your money. Imagine your wealth as a fortress. The walls are your savings, the moat is your investments, and the watchtowers are your vigilant financial strategies. The first step in building this fortress is saving. Stash away a portion of your funds in a high-yield savings account, creating a safety net for unexpected expenses. Now let's fill that moat. Investing is the process of making your money work for you. Consider diversifying your portfolio with a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate. It's not about getting rich quick, but building steady, long-term wealth. Lastly, those watchtowers. Stay alert by keeping track of your financial trends, watching out for scams, and updating your plan as needed. Regularly review your financial health, making sure your fortress remains strong. One key point to remember is to remain modest. It's easy to be swept away by the tide of newfound wealth, but it's crucial to keep your feet on the ground. The sudden influx of money can be quite intoxicating, but remember, extravagance often leads to financial downfall. Maintaining a low profile isn't just about keeping your wealth a secret. It's also about managing the urge to indulge in excessive spending. Instead of buying that top-of-the-line sports car or that 5-story mansion, consider investing in assets that appreciate over time. Don't let material possessions define your worth. True wealth is about more than just money. It's about personal growth, emotional well-being, and the relationships you nurture along the way. Avoid the temptation to flaunt your wealth. Embrace humility and continue to live a modest lifestyle. This approach will not only help you preserve your wealth, but also keep you grounded and focused on what truly matters. Next, start investing wisely. The sudden influx of wealth can be overwhelming, but it's crucial not to let it sit idle. The key is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative investments like cryptocurrencies. This approach helps to mitigate risk and increase potential returns over time. But remember, investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about long-term growth. Think of it as planting a seed and patiently waiting for it to grow into a towering tree. It might seem slow at first, but the power of compounding, where your earnings generate even more earnings, can work wonders over time. Also, consider seeking advice from investment professionals. They can provide valuable insights based on their expertise and experience, helping you make informed decisions. Investing wisely can multiply your wealth and secure your financial future. Don't forget to invest in your health. They say your body is your temple, and that's not just a fancy saying. It's a cornerstone of a good life, especially when you've come into wealth. No matter how much money you have, it can't buy you a new body. So it's crucial to nourish the one you have. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and routine medical checkups are all part of the package. But it doesn't stop there. It's also essential to secure your health with insurance. Health insurance isn't just for when you're ill. It's a safety net for unforeseen circumstances. It provides peace of mind and ensures you can access the best medical care when you need it most. So, while you're making plans to invest in stocks, properties, or businesses, consider setting aside a portion of your wealth for your health. After all, your greatest asset is you. Remember, health is wealth. Helping family and friends is commendable, but do it with caution. Generosity is a beautiful trait, especially when it comes to those closest to us. However, it's essential that we approach lending money to friends and family with a level of prudence. Why is that, you ask? Often, emotions can cloud our judgment, leading us to make decisions that might not be in our best financial interest. It's easy to feel obligated to lend money without considering the potential for non-repayment or the strain it could place on your relationship. To avoid any financial or interpersonal mishaps, it's crucial to set boundaries. Be clear about the terms of the loan and ensure both parties understand. Perhaps even consider putting it in writing. Remember, it's okay to say no. Ultimately, your financial security should be your top priority. Helping others is important, but it shouldn't compromise your financial stability. If you're thinking of giving back, donate wisely. Philanthropy can be a powerful tool to make a real difference in the world, but it's crucial to ensure your hard-earned money is truly being used for the cause you care about. Take some time to do your homework. Research organizations thoroughly before you make a contribution. Look for charities with a proven track record of transparency and efficiency. Websites like Charity Navigator or GuideStar can provide valuable insights into a charity's financial health, accountability, and transparency. Consider also the impact of your donation. Is the charity making a meaningful difference? Are they addressing the root causes of the issues they aim to solve? Don't forget you can also donate your time and skills. Volunteering can be as impactful, if not more so, than writing a check. Take the time to learn about financial literacy. This is not just a motto, but a fundamental principle of wealth management. You see, financial literacy is not just about understanding numbers and calculations. It's about understanding how money works and how it can work for you. Imagine money as a tool, just like a hammer or a screwdriver. If you don't know how to use it, it's not going to be much help. But if you understand its potential, you can build a fortune. Financial literacy is about gaining this understanding, from understanding the difference between assets and liabilities, to knowing how to balance risk and reward in investments. Financial literacy equips you with the skills to make informed decisions about your money. It helps you navigate through complex financial situations and avoid the pitfalls that can erode your wealth. So invest in your financial education. Read books, take courses, consult experts. Every penny you invest in your financial education can potentially return a fortune. Last but not least, stay disciplined. Discipline is not just about holding back when you see that shiny new car or that dream vacation. It's about making informed decisions consistently, about spending, saving, and investing. It's about having the self-control to stick to your financial plan even when the going gets tough. Think of discipline as the sturdy foundation of your financial house. Without it, all the planning, the advice, and the investments can crumble like a house of cards. It's what separates those who merely get rich from those who stay rich. Discipline is also about patience. It's about understanding that wealth is not just about immediate gratification, but long-term prosperity. So resist the urge to splurge, save diligently, invest wisely, and spend thoughtfully. Remember, discipline doesn't mean denying yourself everything. It's about making smart choices that align with your financial goals and values. And that, my friends, is the true essence of wealth. Remember, wealth is not just about having lots of money, it's about managing it wisely. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to be notified when a new video is released. I will see you in the next video.